In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add double exponential moving averages on Tradingview. If you've ever felt like your moving averages lag a bit too much, the Double Exponential Moving Average, or DEMA, is a great tool to try. It's designed to be more responsive than a simple or standard exponential moving average, helping you spot trend changes a little sooner while still smoothing out noise. Start by opening your chart. It can be any market and any time frame you are analyzing. Make sure the chart is visible and you are comfortable with the view, so you can clearly see the indicator once it's added. Next, click on the Indicators menu at the top of your Tradingview chart. This is where you can find and add all kinds of tools. In the search bar that appears, type Double Exponential Moving Average or simply DEMA. You'll see a built-in option show up in the results. Go ahead and click on the built-in Double Exponential Moving Average to add it to your chart. You'll notice a new line appear over your price candles. That's your first DEMA. It reacts a bit faster to price than some other moving averages, which is why many traders like to use it for trend detection. If you want to create a crossover system, repeat that process to add a second, or even a third DEMA. Each time you click the indicator, another line will be added. Multiple lines let you compare different horizons on the same chart, which can help clarify when momentum is shifting. Now let's configure the settings so the lines are meaningful and easy to read. Hover your cursor over the indicator's name on the chart and click the gear icon to open settings. Adjust the length to define the sensitivity. For a balanced setup, set one DEMA to 50 for a medium-term view and another to 200 for a long-term perspective. The 50 will typically respond more quickly, while the 200 smooths things out and shows the broader trend. While you are in the settings, change the colors for clarity. Choose high contrast colors so you can instantly tell them apart, and make sure each DEMA is visually distinct against your background and candles. With your DEMAs in place, watch how the medium-term line behaves relative to the long-term line. Crossovers and the distance between the lines can help illustrate whether momentum is strengthening or weakening. Keep your chart clean, avoid overly busy color choices, and ensure your lines are consistent with your overall analysis approach. That's it. Thanks for watching.